Okay, hey everyone. Uh, if you didn't watch, if you didn't watch the simplified version, I can't believe most people. I mean, not most, but like, I swear, all the new comments said like, "Where's the other things?" If I just had my mic open, you would understand what I was trying to say. I was trying to be funny, also. Also, is everyone sleeping though? Come on. Okay, I know I'll be canceled for that. 100%. Anyway, so how you get this? Watch. Okay, first, get your good buddy Titan Speaker Man. Then, with a painful time, what do you have to do? Let me just go up here. 1 second. Not 1 second. Parkour, man. Parkour. Okay, so when you're comfortable, it will take longer if you're not at the highest point. So then you jump, of course, and then you do like this. But the trick is you spam W, because then you would just propel yourself up somehow. It's like a kind of bug. It takes a while though. You can hear my rabbit button clicking. Still going. Still going. Look, there's the body. Get stuck for some reason. I never expected you to get stuck. Okay, then you'll go to a small form, like cameraman buddy over here, and you talk with him. I never expected him to be alive though. Like, look, he can talk. I didn't know he could talk. Okay, after you say yes, of course, then... Okay, not with that, because it's cheating. So, from up here, you could see your beautiful white spot here. This platform. And so then, down here, you go over here, up here, and be a small form again, because yes. And then go claim your good speaker helicopter, and that's it. You could just repeat the video because I was going too fast. I know. I just want to make the video quick so you could just repeat it again, in case if you don't, like, if you're still sleeping. Don't worry about it. Okay, that's all. Also, I had no idea you could just do that. It was another small YouTuber. I forgot his name, kind of, but he had like 50 subscribers. He's still good though. I gave him a sub. 50th subscriber. Yeah. Okay, bye now.